Hey folks, this is Dr. Rod at HealthQuest Cottonwood. We've got Anna with us today, and Anna was having some issues with vertigo when she first came in. Anna, can you tell us about that?
Yeah, so in the morning, for example, whenever I wake up, it was very difficult for me to even sit on the bed because I felt dizzy right away. The dizziness started right away. And even as I stood up, it was very hard for me to gain my balance because the dizziness just would keep getting worse and worse. So I would end up sitting back down and just closing my eyes for a minute, but it still would be really bad. And yeah, it was very difficult completing my everyday routine, and it interfered a lot with my life.
Mm-hmm. And what happened when you started getting adjusted?
Well, it gradually kept improving, and now I'm better.
No trouble at all?
No.
Good deal.
I'm doing good.
Good deal. All right, now what Anna's problem was is she had her top vertebra was rotated a little bit, and we're going to show you right now what we have to do to fix that. So, okay, now Anna's top vertebra is located right here, and this side on the left here had rotated backwards. So what we're going to do today, it's out, so we're going to adjust it, bring it back forward again, and that's what it takes for Anna to get squared away and keep that vertigo in check. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.